That was so interesting.
After yesterday's bonanza of sweets, this is all we are having for breakfast. Nah, not really.
The sun is shining, it's our last full day here in Tallinn, and we are going to deep dive into the country's history. That's where we're going. So we're going to visit the KGB Museum here in Tallinn, and there's actually two museums, and the one that we're going to visit is at the Hotel Viru, and I think it's on the top floor, so I'm not sure. I guess we will find out in a minute. And from there, the KGB monitored the foreign guests who were staying at the hotel. So it's going to be really interesting to see what went on behind the scenes not too long ago, because I think they were operating here up until the early 90s. So the tour starts on the 22nd floor, and then we will go up one floor.
And also the balcony on the other side. These were not used for anything at the Soviet period. Huge balconies, not used for anything. But we'll go now to the exhibition room where we have managers' table, managers' phone, so few things telling about hotel's history. We have also some uniforms in our museum, but these uniforms, they are real uniforms, only they were not used at the hotel because KGB and also militia, Soviet police, here they didn't wear uniforms because they had to be invisible. They had from here a direct telephone connection with Moscow, so they were able to report about everything. They listened rooms in the rooms. So interesting people, they were given special rooms. They had 60 special rooms. Inside a wall of such a room, they had a hole covered with something ordinary. Next door room was empty. KGB specialist went to the next door room, and from the next door room, the specialist put microphone into the hole. They also photographed people in the rooms. From the next door room, they put special camera into a tiny camera hole, and they could photograph secretly people in a special room. Thank you. Thank you. All the very best. Take care. Bye-bye.
That was so interesting. The way that the KGB treated people in these countries, because it was not only Estonia, but all the countries that made up the former Soviet Union, it's astonishing today. This went on all the way up to the early 90s.
And it's so important to listen to the stories because they are memories, true memories. And our guide shared her story with us about her grandmother who was sent to prison for 15 years because she was singing a funny song about the Soviet Union and she gave up her child. I have to spoil the end because it was so moving. They were reunited.
They also had all these gadgets and things that the KGB left when they left Estonia, because they used the Hotel Viru listening in on all the foreign guests. The entrance fee is 11 euros. And it's well worth it. If you are not interested in the history, you can pay the 11 euros for the magnificent view that you get from up there. You can see all over Tallinn.
The sun is shining today, so we are planning to find a table in the sunshine, have a drink, maybe an ice cream.
Ooh, that sounds good. So what's going on?
We're having lunch. I just ordered some mini pancakes with salted caramel.
So, you're welcome. Here are forks.
Thank you. Look at this. It's bathing in salted caramel. Oh. Best lunch ever.
Sandra is literally scraping the bottom of the plate. I love vinyl records, and wherever we go in the world, I always seem to end up at the record store, intentionally or unintentionally. In this case it's a little bit of both, because I kind of knew that this record store was here, so I was steering us in this direction and hoping that we would come across it. When you're traveling, it's not the most convenient thing to carry around with you. I'm not sure if I already have this one, but I have to get it. Alright, think it up. Have a good one. Something about buying vinyl records that just make me so happy. If you do like buying vinyl records, you should definitely visit this store if you're in Tallinn. I've been to a couple of them, but this is by far the most well-stocked store I've been in. And also the guy who is working here is super friendly and super helpful. So if you're in Tallinn looking for vinyl records, this is the place. We're strolling around the old town, and we are gonna have dinner in less than 2 hours. So we're thinking about getting something to nibble on. And you were talking about ice cream earlier, and we have been looking for some place that sells ice cream, but we haven't found any.
But do you know what I found?
No?
Marzipan!
How did you find?
It's from yesterday's vlog. Well, I kept it for a kind of special moment.
Is this special enough?
I think it's most necessary.
Oh, let's go for it.
It's not that very big.
I'm not sure that I'm the biggest fan of marzipan, but let's see. You know, when you buy these boxes of chocolates and there are different flavors and different kinds of chocolates, these are the ones that I always leave to the end.
This kind of sweet is the best sweet. I just love it. You don't like it?
It's actually better than I remember it. But now I'm kind of hungry, so I do like it more today than I would normally do. But no, it's good. It's good. It's okay. We just realized that we have been here for almost 4 days without properly introducing our travel companions. Now we have introduced them as my parents or as these two, but here's the proper introduction. So we're done for the day and we're heading back to the hotel. But we've been looking for ice cream since this morning without finding it. But now we solved the problem. I'm not proud of this, but at least we get ice cream. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. See you.
Thank you.